The healthiest breakfast, clean your body from toxins and lose 11 pounds in a month. A lot of nutritionists recommend this amazing breakfast for weight loss. It is a very tasty and healthy breakfast, so if you are looking for the ideal breakfast, you should stop your research. This breakfast is packed with vitamins and minerals that have the ability to enhance the look of your hair and skin, stabilize the metabolism and strengthen all body systems. This recipe will help you to get rid of all the toxins and impurities from the system and completely clean your bowels. The way this breakfast works is that it eliminates the issues related to lazy bowels and constipation, stabilizes weight and support burning of fat and calories. If you drink this beverage for 30 days, you can expect to lose between 3 and 11 pounds. Your skin, nails and hair will become more attractive and rejuvenated, and you will witness the reduction of the size of your belly. Recipe: ingredients: 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 cup 250 milliliters of organic kefir. You can use low-fat yogurt, 2.1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of milled flaxseed, between 5 and 7 fleshy plums. Instructions: prepare this breakfast in the evening and eat it in the morning. Put the plums into a bowl and pour about 100 milliliters of boiling water over them. Cover the bowl and leave the plums for about 10 minutes. Take another bowl and place the oatmeal, cocoa and flax seeds in it. After that, pour the kefir and mix the ingredients. Carefully chop the soaked plums in small pieces and add them to the mixture. It is a good idea to use a blender for this task because in this way you will get a puree. Mix all the ingredients and store them in the refrigerator. In the morning, take the bowl and eat the tasty and healthy breakfast. You can expect the first positive results after only 1 week. It is not unusual to experience an odd feeling in the intestines after the first day, but once you eat this breakfast for the second time, the feeling should be gone. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.